Hello everybody, welcome to Life of a Ranger. This is yours, Captain Redbeard here. Today we're going to be talking about something very dear to me, a very, very special thing which you're able to be part of here in Madikwe Game Reserve, and that's cheetah conservation. So here in Madikwe, we are a park that helps to repopulate the meta population of cheetah. Basically, we're trying to become a breeding ground to increase cheetah populations worldwide is the overall goal. And in order to do that, we need to put collars on these animals to track their behavior and track their movement. So today we're part of one of these conservation activities, which is a gift and a privilege and a luxury. It is one of the most incredible things to do. So early in the morning, we had to shoot off and go to the far part of the park, a bit of a drive, in which we met the vet who was explaining about all of the different drugs in the process, and the ecologist explaining the reasons of why, how we use them for tracking and movement, and if there's an injury, we can find the animal straight away. If it needs something to eat because it's not catching food, we can feed them. So there's a lot to it behind the scenes. So off we go, and they were found in the morning, but they were left for about 2 hours. So we go and we have this thing called a telemetry tracker, which is a radio collar, which is what the one brother had on them, one of the two brothers that we're looking for. And it's not foolproof. So we're going to looking, and the signal comes on the device, and we're going to the direction. We're like, hold on, there's a road. Where are these things? Only to be told that telemetry tracker, this is one of the problems, and this is why we put in a satellite collar on, is the signal can bounce between like this. So it leads you in the wrong direction, making it not foolproof to find the animal. Anyway, we went back, reset, and we found the cheetahs that we're looking for. The vet positioned himself nicely, little dart. 5 minutes later, and cheetahs, and he goes to sleep. But now we have to wait an extra 5 minutes. So we're sitting and we're waiting. They're like, no, you need to wait 5 minutes because it can get stressed and it can get an adrenaline and wake up. We're like, okay, we'll wait more 5 minutes. This is a good idea. Anyway, it's all safe. We get off. The collar goes on. We get to see the claws of the cheetah. It's a big dew claw over here. The teeth. Feel it, touch it, and what an experience. What an experience. And then after that, we got to wake him up and make sure his collar was working perfectly, which it was. And whilst he was getting up, he's a bit wobbly. Eventually, starts to stabilize, and he goes, ah, 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 calling. And then his brother running through the bush, and they rejoin themselves. So the main reason of this collar is these two males are going to be traded out of the park to go and do their part for the greater good of cheetahs and hopefully breed. And we'll be getting another female, more than likely from Pilanesberg, in the next few months. So we can hopefully get females and get them breeding so we can do our part for cheetah population.